Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a location in Dubizzle ad. The first thing I want you to do is come here to my ads here at the top. You'll see the listings of all your ads, and let's say you messed up the location for this studio, apartment, or whatever property was, or any other item, right? So you click here on continue posting the ad if it is a draft. If it is a live ad, come here, click on these three dots, click here on edit. So I'll show you an example with this one. You just go ahead and scroll down all the way down in the edit section until you see location. So by mistake, this one was set at home, but this is a property in a different location, separate from my home. So click here on new location and then go ahead and just enter the neighborhood. So this one is in Majan. There you go, in Dubai. And then you just need to go ahead and enter your building or street name or apartment or villa number. These are optional, but the neighborhood is required. Also go ahead and enter the building or street name. There we go. And I'll go ahead and save this address. Here you can go ahead and add a label if you want. So let's say property for rent too. And then I'll come here, click on save address. We'll go ahead and click here on proceed. And as you can see, this one has been selected. And then you can just go ahead and click next and continue with your listing. And that is how to change location in Dubizzle ad.